far begin with all your plant-based recipes. Today we're going to be making a delicious dessert, carrot coconut macaroons. And again, no dairy and no processed sugar. Should be good. Let's get started. So we've got our grated carrots, our Medjool dates, and our oatmeal. And we're going to be putting in our flaked coconut, unsweetened. And also our maple syrup. We're going to process that down. It's going to be delicious. So this is the consistency that you want. We're going to be able to roll that into the balls. We've also got our melted chocolate here. We put the chips in the microwave and they melted nicely. So we're going to be rolling them into a ball, the batter. And we've got coconut down on the plate. We're going to be rolling them in coconut first, and then drizzling some of the chocolate on the top. And more coconut along the top. So we keep going, sprinkle them all, and continue with the chocolate. So here they are, carrot macaroon chocolate bites, and we're going to be putting them in the freezer right now for a few hours before we eat them. So I took them out of the freezer, and here they are. They look so good. Mmm. Mmm. Nice and cold. Nice crunch. Nice and sweet. I hope you make this at home and click on the description for the recipe. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Have a great day.